So recently there is a DDoS attack on Indian airports on April 8th. Major 6 airports and a healthcare institution was attacked by a hacker group named Anonymous Sudan. So I'll explain you what is DDoS attack and how it works. So a DDoS attack, it is a distributed denial of service. This attack is like a traffic jam. On a road, when there are too many cars on the road, traffic will slow down, right? Eventually you will come to a stop. Similarly, DDoS works. This a large number of computers or devices where they use to flood a website or a network with so much traffic that so much traffic, that device or a website, it will be unable to handle too much load, so it will be unable to legitimate users to access it. For example, imagine a popular online retailer that gets hit with a DDoS attack on a Black Friday, and the Black Friday is the biggest shopping day of the year. So the attackers use botnet, which is a network of a compromised devices under their control. So they'll send a huge amount of traffic to retailer website. As a result, the website becomes overwhelmed and crashes, preventing customers from making purchases and causing the retailer to lose out on a significant revenue. So DDoS attacks can be costly and damaging to organizations, which is why it is important to have a proper security measures in place to detect and mitigate such attacks. So this is DDoS attack. To know how to prevent it, follow my next video.